It took me over 30 years to understand something most people never really get. Hi, I'm David Langford. I want to share what I've learned so you don't have to spend decades figuring it out the hard way. If you truly hear this, it can change the way you make decisions for the rest of your life. So stay with me. Because almost everything we chase isn't what we think it is. Most people are waiting. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting to feel confident. Waiting to feel good enough. They tell themselves, I'll start when I have more money. I'll act when I feel more confident. Or I'll be happy when I finally succeed. I lived like that for years. And I didn't realize it at the time. But those sentences were agreements I made with myself. Dangerous ones. Every time you say, I'll allow myself to live after something happens, you're pushing your life into a future that may never arrive. Here's the truth most people never question. You don't actually want the money, the body, or the status. You want what you believe those things will make you feel. Safe, respected, confident, and worthy. But no one ever taught us that. So we chase money and status instead of peace and confidence. Most people think security means money in the bank, a house, and a stable job. Yes, those things are useful, but they are fragile. Money can disappear, markets crash, jobs vanish, and systems fail. Real security is something else entirely. It's the deep, unshakable belief that no matter what happens, you'll handle it. That belief is internal, and once you build it, nothing on the outside can truly threaten you. When you complain, blame, or wait for someone or something to change, you give away your power. But when you take responsibility, not guilt, not self-attack, responsibility, you grow. Success is not the money you make. It's who you become in the process. Money is a side effect. The real asset is you, your discipline, your mindset, your ability to stand back up, and your willingness to learn. Build yourself like a cliff, solid, grounded, unmoved by storms. Even if everything disappears tomorrow, the person you've built stays, and that person can rebuild anything. People say, when I'm rich, I'll enjoy life. When I lose weight, I'll feel confident. Or, when I succeed, I'll be happy. Those are traps. Happiness postponed is happiness denied. Goals are fine. Attaching your worth to them is dangerous. You don't become worthy later. You already are. Confidence is not arrogance, not pretending, not loud. Confidence is quiet. It's the knowing that even if things go wrong, you'll adapt. Confidence isn't nothing bad will happen. It's I can handle whatever happens. That's real power. Your thoughts create your emotions. Your emotions shape your actions. Your actions determine your results. If you believe, I'm not capable, you'll hesitate. If you believe, I can figure this out, you'll move. Same situation, different outcome. Self-belief does not come before action. It comes from action. Even one small win, a sale, a step, a decision to show up, changes how you see yourself. And once your self-image changes, everything accelerates. This is exactly why I focus on affiliate marketing. It's not just a way to make money. It's a framework that forces growth, consistency, and responsibility. It pushes you to stop waiting and start becoming. And that process alone builds confidence that most people never develop. There is no perfect time. There will always be more to learn, more fear, more uncertainty. Waiting doesn't make you safer, it makes you smaller. Growth happens in discomfort, in stretch, not chaos. Life can be hard, that's unavoidable. But you get to choose which hard, the discomfort of growth, or the pain of regret. The effort of building, or the exhaustion of staying stuck. If you don't choose consciously, life chooses for you. People think happiness is at the destination. It's not. There's always another mountain. The joy is in becoming stronger, more capable, more self-trusting. That's the real reward. You don't need to wait to feel worthy, confident, or alive. You can choose that now. Not by pretending, but by deciding to act as the person you want to become. Today. Because the only moment you ever truly have is this one. So ask yourself, what are you waiting for? Who would you be if you stopped waiting? What's one small step you can take today to prove to yourself that you're capable? If this video resonated and you're tired of waiting for confidence, clarity, or the right time, I put together a free 4-day training. A clear, step-by-step way to understand how people are building real online income, and more importantly, how you start trusting yourself through action. The link is in the description below. Take the next step, not someday, today. Remember, you are enough right now. You don't need to wait for anyone or anything. Keep showing up, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss a step on this journey. I wish you all the best as you continue toward growth, clarity, and real freedom.